Today I'm going to show you how I use Redshift, which is very helpful, especially in the evening, to dim the display lights. So although some PuppyLinux already comes with automated Redshift application, I tend to prefer the method that I'm going to tell you about. The first is install Redshift. I'm demonstrating it on a fairly fresh copy of Bookworm Pup 64. So in a Bookworm, you can use apt command. Other PuppyLinux, you'll have to use Puppy Package Manager. So we'll go ahead and here, we'll go ahead and install apt update and then apt upgrade. We'll just do this quickly just to get it all updated, and then install Redshift. It does not come installed already in Bookworm, so we'll go ahead and clear the screen. Apt install Redshift, and then put a Y on here. So it's gonna just install it, and that'll be the first part. So it's finished now, and the second part, what we want to do is add these two lines, alias in .bashrc. So we'll just go ahead and copy these. This will allow just to open up a terminal, and to start the Redshift, to just type in R, it'll start the Redshift, and then to stop the Redshift is kill Redshift. So we'll go ahead and make a copy of this, and then we'll go ahead and rocks, and then there is a bashrc file, and we'll load that up into geany, and then at the end here paste those two lines and then save. And to activate the changes on bashrc, what we can do is lx terminal again, and then give it a command of source bashrc, because that's been changed. So now it's activated, but nothing will happen if I enter. So kr, for example, kill Redshift, nothing will help because it hasn't been set up properly yet. So we'll just go back. So we've done this part, and now what we want to do is make a redshift.sh file, and then we're gonna load that up in the. So we're gonna go into the proper CD folder, root, my application bin, and then after that's done, we're gonna create a little file, redshift.sh, and then we're gonna make that file executable, chmod +x redshift, and then after that's done, we're gonna load it up into geany here, and then we're gonna exit the terminal. So we'll just go ahead and copy this, and then again we'll go ahead and lx terminal, and then we're gonna copy just with middle mouse click, and then we should see it here, which is so that's all done. What we need to do is go back to where I have my cheat sheet. So we want to enter these lines into Redshift. So we're going to grab that and then copy again, go to Redshift, and then Control V to paste, and then save it. Now we have a Redshift. What we need is a figures here, which is called the geolocation information. We need to obtain the numbers, and to do that, what we need to do is go to geolocation. I'll leave a link in the description, and this is pretty much all automatic where you're using the computer. So we'll just go ahead and make a copy, and then we're gonna start the browser, and Firefox said ESR is the default. We'll go ahead and fire that up, and then we're going to just close dismiss, and then we're gonna paste that web address, and then human, and then it automatically knows the IP address of the computer you're using, and then you have this information. So what you need is just to latitude and longitude. So what we're gonna do is just make a copy, and then again go back to the geany, and then for now what we need is, we'll just go ahead and paste down here. So now longitude is 327211 here, so we'll just go ahead and put it right there. Latitude, I should say. Longitude is minus in my case, so obviously your number is going to be different. So what we want to do is go ahead and replace the numbers into the proper file, which is redshift.sh, and then go ahead and replace it here, and now we have the numbers and everything all set up. We'll go ahead and save it. So further details of what minus B and dash T and so on, dash G, you can get it from just by typing in LX terminal here and redshift.sh, but so you can get all that information. So, but this is the parameter that I prefer. We're gonna close everything now, and then we should be able to test it. So what I'll do is go ahead and start the terminal again, and then we're gonna start Redshift just by typing in R, because that we created that alias in bashrc. I don't know whether you're able to see it, but it's gotten a little warmer and a little darker. So we're gonna again go into LX terminal. It's become less bright, I should say. And then we're gonna say kill redshift kr, and let's see. Hopefully you can pick up the changes. So it's actually gotten a little brighter. So that's all I wanted to go over. This is how you can set up Redshift manually. I prefer that.